Hey folks, I'm going to say welcome to our garden on Salt Spring Island, but I'm actually not in my garden right now. I'm in the house. Been out working in this beautiful weather all day. It's the early November. And what I have here are some seeds that I've germinated in the Baggy method. And I'm going to tell you what we have here and what is actually germinated when we sowed them. So the Baggy method is when you have small volumes of seeds and you put them in a Ziploc baggie with some ProMix HP or some Sunshine Mix 4. That's basically peat moss with perlite. And you moisten it down, you throw the seeds in there, you put the date on it, the species of palm or whatever you're going to germinate, and keep them nice and warm and out of the direct sun. So on July 25th, 2018, I put quite a few Chamaedorea radicalis in this bag, and nothing up yet. Got to be patient with palm seeds. This one here, we have Trachycarpus princeps. Same time I put them in, July 25th, 2018. Nothing in there yet. I heard these ones are really slow to germinate. By the way, we do grow Chamaedorea radicalis in our garden in microspadex. Radicalis has been in our garden for over 20 years now and thriving. Very hardy here in our gazone. It is a palm, a pinnate species native to high elevations of Mexico. So this one here is Trachycarpus tequil, supposedly true tequil, and nothing up yet. You got to be patient. Like I say, these were also sowed at the same time, July 25th. But our Chamaerops humilis volcano, a very difficult palm to obtain here in Canada, one we've always wanted for our collection, is germinated. And you can see them right there in the baggie. These are a really cool Mediterranean fan palm with super stiff, smaller fronds on it and more of an upright habit. So these ones here look like they germinated a lot faster than everything else. And I think maybe this weekend, if I have time, I'm going to prick these out and put them into a small 4-inch pot. And none of these palms are going to be for sale. These are for our own private collection. So there we go, folks. Try the Baggy method. It's really easy and quite rewarding. Give it a shot. And like I always say, plant a palm. You can't grow wrong. See them in there? That beauty? All right. Thanks for watching. Happy palm growing.